It's the biggest story to rock the Aam Aadmi Party after Liquorgate. Swati Maliwal hasn't been seen in public for the last 55 hours or so, ever since she left the Civil Lines police station in Delhi after having second thoughts about filing a complaint over being assaulted inside Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence. 24 hours ago, the Aam Aadmi Party admitted that the incident in fact did take place. Times Now has busted open the controversy. In an attempt to track Swati Maliwal, our teams reached the residences listed by Maliwal in her MP affidavit, and at her flat, we found Sanjay Singh, who was leaving the complex along with a DCW member. Sanjay Singh evaded Times Now's questions, but sources are indicating that a compromise and a resolution is being worked out. Now watch this sequence of that confrontation of Sanjay Singh.
संजय सर,
any further action, sir?
संजय
सर, कोई कमेंट? संजय जी, कोई कमेंट?
So you heard, you just saw Sanjay Singh has left after meeting Swati Maliwal at this particular location, and Vanna Singh was also there present with Sanjay Singh. Vanna was an active member of DCW, and this is the location where Aam Aadmi Party's MP Sanjay Singh had also reached.
Sanjay, sir.
संजय सर,
Sir, any further action, sir?
संजय
सर, कोई कमेंट? संजय जी, कोई कमेंट?
So you heard, you just saw Sanjay Singh has left after meeting Swati Maliwal at this particular location, and Vanna Singh was also there present with Sanjay Singh. Vanna was an active member of DCW, and this is the location where Aam Aadmi Party's MP Sanjay Singh had also reached.
Priyank and Tejshri are joining us live as Times Now's investigation team is keeping you ahead on every angle of the Maliwal controversy. Going first up to Priyank. Priyank, Sanjay Singh present at Swati Maliwal's residence. More questions than answers. What are you tracking from your sources? Did a meeting take place? Where is Swati Maliwal? Is she right there? Is Sanjay Singh in talks with somebody else who's related to Swati Maliwal? Viewers are asking multiple questions today. What exactly is happening?
See, Sagarika, the Aam Aadmi Party's messenger who was brought from Mumbai to have a communication with Swati Maliwal, the member of parliament from Aam Aadmi Party, who gave a police call to the Delhi police stating that the CM's behest, his personal assistant has assaulted me, had reached out to Swati Maliwal along with Vanna Singh. I'm taking the name of Vanna Singh, who's not too much famous because Vanna Singh is someone who has been very closely associated with the party since the inception of Aam Aadmi Party, and then she was given a designation in the DCW. She was the right-hand person of Swati Maliwal. So this is the government officials bungalow type 7, which is at the DDU Marg, where on the third floor Swati Maliwal is there. Now after we confronted the family members and we tried to reach out to Sanjay Singh, this particular door has been closed. This is the A2 tower where Swati Maliwal has been there, and obviously soon after we broke this information, there have been other media colleagues who have also came here because everyone was curious to know that what is exactly going inside the mind of Swati Maliwal. Swati Maliwal is on the third floor of this particular apartment. If you can see that light, this is the floor where Swati Maliwal had been staying since the time she left from the residence of Delhi Chief Minister. But appearance of Sanjay Singh was certainly a big thing, which is certainly setting up the political mood of the national capital election, because the India Alliance has been working in coordination with the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress have fielded their contestant from the national capital, and the message going out to the people that women are being assaulted inside the Delhi Chief Minister's residence is certainly not going in favor of Aam Aadmi Party. That's why they took the harshest step against the closest aide of Arvind Kejriwal, Bibha Kumar, who knows everything about Arvind Kejriwal, who has been shadowing Arvind Kejriwal.
Nobody even knows where Bibha Kumar is. For 55 hours, Swati Maliwal, nobody has seen her. You're standing there outside her residence. People are also questioning where is Bibhav Kumar, because a police complaint hasn't been formally filed by Swati Maliwal. The police too, sources are saying
Sangha,
that
what
they
we know
cannot
that
go
he's still
ahead
at
and
the
take...
6th flagship road, which is the CM residence.
Go ahead, Priyank.
Sagri, I was trying to tell to viewers that he's still there. Bibhav Kumar is still there at the residence of Chief Minister. He stays in Burari. And since, although officially Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that strict action will be taken against him, but what my sources have been suggesting that he's still at the 6th flagship road in civil lines. So Sanjay Singh coming here and talking to Swati Maliwal, being captured on camera, could turn out to be a very big surprise for the Aam Aadmi Party, because they could not have realized that this kind of inside door meeting which is happening, which is a sort of settlement thing which is coming out in between the Aam Aadmi Party and the member of parliaments of Aam Aadmi Party will come out in public domain. But we got him. We tried to talk to the family members also of Swati Maliwal. They say that she's not there, but this is the confirmed news according to the locals here, that Swati Maliwal is still there on the 3rd floor. The second thing is, which we can highlight also, that the Delhi police team had visited here twice.
All right, so confirmation there. Story broken on the news hour, and we are getting you a confirmation right here. The residence from where Priyank is reporting, on the 3rd floor, there's Swati Maliwal who's present there, and this is as per the neighbors and others whom we've spoken to. Sanjay Singh's presence there also raising more questions than answers. Let's also cut across to Tejshri, who covers the Aam Aadmi Party. Tejshri, Sanjay Singh came out, did a press statement. Aam Aadmi Party, there's radio silence, and ironically today the Aam Aadmi Party on their social media handle has lambasted the Bharatiya Janata Party over giving a ticket to Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh's son. They are talking about women empowerment when a Rajya Sabha MP, somebody considered to be very, very close to Arvind Kejriwal, was assaulted inside the Chief Minister's very residence. The Chief Minister is silent.
Yes, remember that Sanjay Singh held a press conference yesterday. In fact, it was just a press statement, I would say, that was of 90 seconds. And what party sources also told us that Sanjay Singh was not in Delhi, he was in Mumbai. And when they understood, or when they realized that this matter is escalating, at that point of time, the party called in Sanjay Singh in emergency from Mumbai to Delhi and then to the party headquarters, where he held this press statement of 90 seconds with no question and answers. He just told that whatever has happened is not acceptable and that the party will be taking strict action against Bibhav Kumar. Now the question is, has the party taken action against Bibhav Kumar? The answer is no. With what regards party will take strict action against Bibhav Kumar? Does he hold any official post in the party? The answer is no. Because remember that Bibhav was PS to Arvind Kejriwal and then he was terminated
no
from his
action
services
yet on the Aam Aadmi Party, from the Aam Aadmi Party side on Bibhav Kumar. Nobody knows. Like Priyank is telling us that he possibly still is at the Chief Minister's residence, but nobody has seen him ever since that PCR call was made by Swati Maliwal. Now,